Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to restore an old damaged photo and turn it into a clear HD image using AI tools. First, open the AI photo restoration website and upload your old photo. As you can see, this image is blurry, damaged, and lacks detail. The AI tool automatically detects scratches, blur, and low-quality areas in the photo. Now click the Restore or Enhance button and wait a few seconds. The AI will process the image and rebuild missing details. Here's the final result. You can clearly see the difference between the original photo and the restored version. Let's try another old photo to see how well the AI works. Again, the restored image looks much sharper and more detailed. This method is fast, easy, and requires no editing skills. Now let's test another old photograph. This image has low quality and visible damage. After uploading it to the AI tool, the restoration process begins automatically. Notice how the facial details become clearer. The scratches and blur are significantly reduced. Let's compare the original image with the restored version. The difference is easy to see. AI photo restoration can save old memories and improve image quality in just a few seconds. Let's zoom in and take a closer look at the details. Notice the improvement in facial features, sharpness, and overall clarity. The AI has successfully reduced blur and restored important details that were difficult to see in the original image. Once the restoration process is complete, we can preview the final result. You can compare the original image with the enhanced version side by side. If you are satisfied with the quality, simply click the download button. The restored photo will be saved to your device in high quality. This is useful for preserving old family memories and improving damaged photographs. You can repeat the same process for any old or blurry image. The entire process takes only a few seconds and requires no editing experience. In addition to photo restoration, this website also provides several other free AI tools. For example, you can remove the background from any image with just one click. This feature is useful for creating professional-looking photos, thumbnails, and social media content. You can also enhance image quality, sharpen blurry photos, and upscale low-resolution images. Another interesting feature is AI image-to-video generation. With this tool, you can turn a static photo into a short animated video using artificial intelligence. These tools are simple to use and can save a lot of time compared to manual editing. Whether you are a beginner or a content creator, these AI features can help improve your workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. I regularly share useful AI tutorials, photo editing tips, and technology guides to help you get better results with free tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.